Sage Intelligence gives you the ability to export and import reports, allowing you to move reports to other systems or share them with other users. It also provides a way to transfer reports to different connections. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how exporting and importing is done. Working from the Report Manager, before exporting a report, it's a good idea to check whether it's unlocked or not. If you would like to be able to access a report's properties after it's imported, then you'll need to make sure it's unlocked first. You can do this by creating a copy of it and exporting that. It's also a good idea to rename the copy after it's made. To export, select the desired report and then from the Tools tab, click Export Report. The report, including its container, is then packaged in a file with the extension .al_, and you'll be asked to save it to your local machine. I'm going to save mine to a reports folder on my desktop. Once the report has been saved as an AL_ file, you can send it to a colleague via email, for example, and they can import it on their system. Or you can move it to another system that you want to use it on. Furthermore, you could import it onto a different connection on your current system. Assume now that I'm another user who's been sent a report. I have it saved to a reports folder on my desktop, and I'm going to import it. To do this, from the Report Manager, I'm going to select the Home object or any folder, and then on the Tools tab, click Import Report. You're then asked to select the file you want to import. Navigate to the place where you have your AL_ saved. Click on it, and then click Open. You'll then be asked to provide some details for the report. You can change the name, select the connection you would like it to use, and select the folder you would like it placed in. If you are importing the report onto a connection which already holds an instance of the report's container, then you'll be asked if you would like to use the existing container or create a new one. If you expect that you might make changes to the report's container going forward, then it's a good idea to choose No to create a new container. Otherwise, you can select Yes. If you do select No, you'll be asked to provide a name for the new instance, and if you select Yes, the process will continue without requesting a new name. I'm going to pick No and enter a new name. Then, if the report includes a template and a template of the same name already exists on disk, you'll be asked whether you want to overwrite the existing template or create a new one. If you're unsure whether the existing template is being used by any other reports, then it's recommended that you select Yes to create a new template. By doing so, you'll then be asked to provide a name for it. If you're certain you don't need the existing template, then you can click No and the process will continue, overwriting the existing template on disk with the copy in the report. I'm going to select Yes and specify a new name. After clicking OK, the import is completed and a success message is provided. You can then click OK to close it. You'll now see the report appear in the folder you selected, and you can run it out. You should see that through the ability to export and import reports, it saves you the inconvenience of having to recreate them on other systems or the machines of other users, as well as for different connections, putting time back into your pocket. Before closing, one thing to be aware of is that you can only import reports onto the same type of system using the same type of database as the system they were exported from. As an example, if you export a report from Sage 100 Intelligence, which connects to a SQL database, then you'll only be able to import the report on the same type of system. Importing the report on, say, Sage 300 Intelligence or Sage 100 Intelligence using a different database isn't supported. If you'd like to view other videos on Sage Intelligence, go to learning.sageintelligence.com. Also, connect with us at sageintelligence.com and sageintelligencecommunity.com. And if you'd like more formal training on our product, then check out our online courses at sageintelligenceacademy.com.